Wow.
Right? She's catching air.
No kidding. Dang. Nice. Good girl. That's funny.
It's like,
Dang.
ow!
Dang.
Good girl, Zena.
Yeah, no kidding.
Good girl. Poor Ripley. She's getting left out.
Hi, Zena.
Oh, that's an easy kill.
Okay, let go so we can kill it again. Jeez. This is where she gets nuts because the prey gets away and then she like wants it even more. Of course, she won't let go.
She knows to hold it at the top, too.
Yeah, yeah. That's like its head. Dang. Ha! That's funny. Dang.
Jeez. Jump marks there?
Great stress release for the cats. Natural prey, what do you call it? Prey drive? Prey sequence?
Good girl.
Dang, huh? These are the best toys for cats.
Anything with a... Oh, she just got a feather off.
Uh-oh. Bird's definitely dead. Good thing we got a whole bunch of those things.
Look at her. She's like, what is this?
What happened here?
Hit it?
Holy cow! Oh, I missed the top of that. Man, she jumped really high. They're so fast, it's hard to follow them. Jeez. Cameraman almost got blitzed. What do we call it?
One second here.
Trying to get one more for Ripley here?
Yeah, so one more for Ripley. Zena's now laying on the feather.
Here we go.
Good girl. There you go, birdie. Birdie's now bluebirdie. Oh.
Nice.
Good girl.
I think we're good, huh?
Yeah, we're good.
Look at that. All right. What's the magic words, Mom? Mama?
All
Holy cow. What the heck?
okay, all done.
She's just destroying the furniture here. What's going on? What in the world?
Oh, that is too funny. She's just like, here, see, I'm just gonna pass on you if I get this thing. Okay. All done.
All done. Good girls. Xena, you did awesome. Ripley, you're just like a jumping master over here.
Oh,
Now they inspect what the heck happened to our furniture, our little homes. All right, that was fun stuff.